Elitech EMG-40B. If anybody interested in purchasing some of these Elitech tools, visit elitechus.com. Use my discount code WW HVAC10. It will give you a discount. But a lot of y'all reached out to me, asked would be A2L compatible. I know it's springtime, we're finna start warming up, we're finna start doing more refrigerant work. And yes, all Elitech digital gauges are A2L compatible. And I'm gonna show you how to get to it. Right now, I do have one A2L refrigerant assigned to these gauges, but you're gonna have to add them to your gauges in your favorite section. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You can see right now, I have 410A assigned. To change the refrigerant, if I click on the refrigerant, let's say I got R11, R12, you see R32, that's an A2L right there, I can assign it. But as you can see, like the other A2Ls, let's say like R54B is gonna be a common used one. You do not see it on my favorite list, so I need to assign that. So now I'm gonna show you how to add a refrigerant to it, like 454B. What you wanna do is, you wanna go to your app on your phone. Gotta do it in the app. You go to Elitech Tools, and you see I have R32 assigned. So I wanna find R54B. As you can see, I got my favorite popped up now. So, and all these refrigerants is actually what you're gonna see in this favorite list right here. So I need to go to all. So I'm gonna go to all, then I'm gonna find R54B. Okay, you see R54B, what I need to do is I need to hit, now you see the plus sign right there, I'm gonna hit that. Commonly used refrigerant allowed to 20. So I need to go to my favorite. See, a lot of these I don't use, like, let me delete this one right here from my favorite list. Let me uncheck that. 409 I'm not using. So I wanna try to clear this list a little bit. 407C I use. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that. So I'm gonna go back to my list. I wanna go to all. So I'm gonna go, it's in order. So here I'm gonna scroll down, 454B, okay. Shoot. Let me see, 454B. As you see, it's not on here because I have to hit the, sometimes I forget, I have to hit the, this update button right here. So let me delete some of those, hit that update button. When you hit that update, that little circle button is going to ask you, are you sure you want to update refrigerant data? I'm going to push OK. Now, it should have eliminated some of those. So I'm going to go to all. Let's go to 454B. 454B, okay, that's it right there. Now I can favorite that. I need to hit that update button, then okay. Now it's going, oh, shoot. It was updating on here. Let me do it one more time. You can see, as you can see, it tell you the toxicity, flammability, and it give you an example. You see the L2L, all right, so let me go here, and you see it's added now, 454B. Now, as you can see, we got the 454B. So yes, the Elitech gauges are A2L compatible, and to give you, like I say, some information on the refrigerant you're using. So, interested, visit elitekus.com, elitekus.com, enter my discount code WW HVAC.